Very good to have you with us on ERi-TV. This is English News Broadcast live from the headquarters in Asmara at exactly 10:30 p.m. First, the top stories. Independence Cap reached the southern Red Sea region. World Dance Day observed. West's effort to isolate Russia have failed, Lavrov stated. Five dead in Texas shooting armed suspect on the loose. Independence Cup has reached the southern Red Sea region. Independence Cup that commenced its trip from the historical place in Nafa on 24th April, containing sacred soil, reached the southern Red Sea region, concluding its trip of the northern Red Sea region. The handing over ceremony that was carried out today, 30th April in Tiro, was attended by officials of the two regions, army commanders, village elders, as well as number of the Tiro residents. The Independence Cup was handed over to Ambassador Mohammed Said Mantai, Governor of the Southern Red Sea region, by Mrs. Asmeret Abraha, Governor of the Northern Red Sea region. The Independence Cup has so far covered 500 kilometers land, 235 kilometers air, and 110 kilometers sea trip. The Independence Cup portrays the resilience and indomitable spirit of the Eritrean people. World Dance Day has been commenced 29 April, observed on 29 April at the ceremony organized at Cinema Roma. At the ceremony, 110 youth, including 65 females that have been provided 9 months training on dancing, were graduated. Speaking at the occasion, Ambassador Zemede Tekle, Commissioner of the Culture and Sports, calling the World Dance Day to be observed in the region, said that the youth that graduated on dancing at the occasion will have significant contribution in the development of the sector, indicating that the training included dancing, directing, as well as choreography. Artist Khahsai Gabrihiwat called on the trainees to practically develop their skill and play due part in the development of the arts. At the event, certificates of participation were handed over to the trainees. World Dance Day is being observed for the third time at the national level and for the 41st time at international level. Five kilometers of water pipeline is being installed in Ad Guadat Galanef Hisab zone. The project that is being carried out by Ad Hallo project, supported by machinery, includes construction of 6 water containers with capacity of holding each 660 barrels of water, as well as 15 water distribution centers. The residents said that with the completion of the project, they will have potable water supply in their backyard. Adi Guadat is located 12 kilometers south of Asmara and has about 13,000 residents. We are live on ERi-TV. Stay tuned for international news. The West has failed to isolate Russia, with the majority of the world still interested in maintaining good relations with Moscow, Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov has said. He also argued that the trend toward multipolarity is irreversible, whether former colonial powers like it or not. Addressing the World Online Conference on Multipolarity, Lavrov said that Washington's and its satellites' effort to reverse history to force the international community to live by the invented rule-based order are proving to be a fiasco, citing the total failure of the West to isolate Russia. According to the foreign minister, a number of countries which combined are home to 85% of the world's population have made it clear that they will not do the bidding of the former colonial powers. The Russian diplomats said the fact that delegates from several dozen nations from nearly every continent attended the online forum shows just how much traction the idea of multipolarity has gained. According to the foreign minister, developing nations have been steady expanding their share in the global economy over the past 3 decades. A man shot dead 5 neighbors, including an 8-year-old boy, after some of them had asked him to stop shooting a semi-automatic rifle in his front yard in Cleveland, Texas, because it was keeping their baby awake. This is according to police. Police were still looking for the suspect, who used an AR-15 style rifle in the shooting late inside the neighbor's home on Friday. San Jacinto County Sheriff said. The sheriff's deputies were joined by FBI agents as they continued searching for the suspect, Francisco Oropeza, 38, in a nearby wooded areas. 18 hours after the attack, the sheriff said, "We are tracking him with dogs and men on horseback and drones in the air," he added. Law enforcement had found an abandoned cell phone and some discarded clothing in the searching area. He was quoted as saying by other news outlets that all the victims were shot in the head, almost execution style, and police said all victims were from Honduras. And now we have a quick review of the top stories. Independence Cup reached southern Red Sea region. World Dance Day observed. West's effort to isolate Russia have failed, Lavrov stated. Five dead in Texas shooting armed suspect on the loose. It was me, Salem Burhana, with the news for tonight. Thank you for being with us. Have a good night.